Hello children, welcome back. So today we will go through chapter number 6, slide organization in PowerPoint. Okay, so in this chapter your today's content is changing the slide layout, rearranging slides in slide sorter view, editing text object, and moving and copying the object in a presentation. Okay, so let us begin. So children, you can see that I have already created one presentation here, okay, on generations of computers and different types of computers. So based on this presentation, I am going to show you all the activities of today's content, okay. So let us begin. First is about changing the layout of the slide. So frequently, even in the previous class, I used to say you that whenever you are creating your presentation or creating your project, the first and foremost thing is the selecting the layout of a slide. Okay, so how to select the layout of the slide? So if you want to change the layout of the slide, you need to go in the layout button here. So where are you going to get this layout button? In the home tab, okay, in the home tab, and under the slides group, we call this as a slides group, you will get a layout button here. So once you click on the layout button, you will get a different types of layout option here. Okay, suppose say if you want to add only the title, you can use the title layout. You can use the title and content, like see here, you can add your title here. Okay, then after that, say you can insert the table from here, you can insert charts, you can insert the pictures. If you have a video clip, you can insert the video clips and you can create a presentation. Okay, so in this way you can get lots and lots of say layout. Suppose say comparison, if you want to compare the to content, you can use the comparison slides. There is a blank layout, so if you want to insert a picture, you can use the blank layout as well. So always remember, the first and foremost is to select the layout of the slide. Okay, so right now I'm working on title slide. Okay, now the next is about rearranging the slide in a slide sorter view. So how will you get the slide sorter view? So you can see here a view tab. Okay, click on the view tab, so you will get the normal view. Right now we are in the normal view. Okay, so this is the main editing view, and these are some of the miniature form of this slide. Okay, so we are in the normal view. So there's an outline view, slide sorter view, note page view, and reading view. So we have already learned about all the different types of views in the previous class. Now a slide sorter view. Okay, click on the slide sorter view. What the slide sorter view will do is it will arrange all your slide in a single page. See here, this is a single window, and all your slides are arranged in a single window in a miniature form, means in a small slide form. Now accordingly, if you feel, you can edit, you can rearrange, you can change the position of the slide according to your need. Okay, so suppose say if you feel that you want this slide to be somewhere after the fifth slide, so in this way you can simply drag and you can move the different slides in different positions in this way. Okay, so we call this as a slide sorter view, and slide sorter view is basically used to rearrange the slide. Okay, now let us move back to our normal view or a main editing view. Okay, now next is editing or text. So in simple word, editing means changing the content of the text. Suppose say here I just want to change the generations. Okay, generation into maybe by or some different word. Okay, so just click on this text. Once you click, you can see a text box, or what we call as a placeholder, will appear, and you can even see a blinking line here. So you can see the cursor blinking. This means we are in the editing view. Now you can edit your content. Okay, so remember that if your cursor is blinking on the right hand side, then what you can do is you can use a backspace key from the keyboard to delete the text. Suppose your cursor is at the front, then you can use a delete key from the keyboard, okay, to delete the text. Or what you can also do is you can select the text. Okay, see, simply this way, click the mouse button, drag it and select the text, then press the delete key from the keyboard. So your text is deleted. Now you can replace this text with the new text. Suppose say TIMELINE, timeline of computers. Okay, so these are some of the few methods that we can use for editing the text object. Okay, now the next one is say moving and copying the text. Now you see that the moving and copying the text are two different things. Okay, so first let us start with moving the text. Now moving means removing the text or the image, any kind of object, whether it is a text or the image, from its original position to a new position. So let me repeat once again. Moving the text or an object means removing it from its original position to a new position. Okay, you have already done these activities before in Microsoft Word document. Suppose say I just want to move this, okay, move this text from this position to some other position. So for that, what you need to do is first you need to select the text. So after selecting the text, you can right click here. Okay, once you right click, you can see a cut option here. So this is one method. Or what you can also do is you can go to the home tab. Okay, under the home tab in the clipboard group, you can see the cut option here. Okay, you can click on this cut option also. So once I click on the cut option, you will see that this particular text will get removed from this original location. Okay, so let me click on cut. You can see that it has got removed from the original position. Now wherever you want to place it, just simply click on that particular place. Okay, now right click the mouse button and click on paste option. Here's the paste option. This is one method, and another method is again under the home tab, you can see the paste option here. Okay, so click on the paste option. You see that your text has been moved to the last part. Okay, from the second point to the last point. So we call this as moving a text. Now not only in your single slide, you can also move the text or an object to different slides as well. Okay, suppose say I just want to move this picture from this slide to this slide. Okay, so the same process you need to apply. Click on the picture, go to the cut option here. Okay, or you can also right click the mouse button and click on cut. Now you can see that the picture has been removed from its original location. Okay, now I want to place it somewhere here. Okay, so now click on the paste button here. You can see that the picture has appeared. Now just moving the mouse button, clicking the mouse button, you can place the picture in any of the position you want. Okay, now what you can see is that, see, the picture is not in the original position. Okay, the picture has been shifted from this location to a new location now. So we call this as moving or object. Now let me repeat once again. Moving an object means shifting the text or the picture from its original location to a new location. I hope it's clear now. Now copying the text or an object. Now what is the copying? Copying means just creating a duplicate copy without moving the original copy from its original location. Okay, suppose let me just consider this text. Okay, let me select this text. Now after selecting this text, I just want to make a copy of this text. Okay, so simply right click and click on copy. Now see, I'm not going to click on cut option. I'm going to click on copy. So once I click on the copy option, you will see that your text is already in the original position. Okay, it has not been removed from the original position. So I just want to place it at the last. Okay, so in this case, I just want to place it here. So again, right click the mouse button, click on the paste option here. Okay, see, you can see that the copy of this content, large size, comparatively small storage and slow speed, this has appeared in this place as well. Now what I have done here is my original content is already in its original position. Okay, it has not been removed. I have just made the copy of it, or what we call as a duplicate copy of this. So we call this as copying the text. So let me copy this picture and place it in this slide. Okay, suppose say I want to copy this image and I want to place this image in this slide. Okay, so just select it. Either you can right click the mouse button, or you can also go and click on the copy option here under the home tab. Click on copy. Now go to the another slide where you want to paste it and click on paste button. So simply drag it and move it down. Now you can see that I have the copy of this image. So this is my original image. Okay, you can see that I have created the copy of that image in second slide as well. Okay, so we call this as copying the object. So always remember that copying an object and moving the objects are two different things. Okay, now finally deleting the object. So deleting an object is very easy. So if you want to delete any of that object, first you need to select it. Okay, first let us consider this text. So I just want to remove any of this text from here. So what you need to do is first you have to click on this text. So once you click, you can see that the placeholder has appeared. So once the placeholder appears, so whichever text you want to remove, simply select that text and press a delete key. You can see that the text has got deleted. Okay, simple. See here, just select the text, click on delete button or a delete key from the keyboard, the text will get deleted. Similarly, if you want to delete the unwanted picture, okay, from your presentation, just select the picture. Suppose say I want to select this picture. You need to click on the picture and press a delete key from the keyboard. See here, just click on the picture, press the delete key from the keyboard. Okay, this is how we delete the text or an object from the presentation. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so in today's content I have showed you how to change the layout of the slide. Okay, how to rearrange the slide in a slide shutter view. Okay, I have also showed you how to edit the text. I have showed you what is the difference between copying the text and moving the text. Okay, and finally deleting the text and images. Okay, so this is all in today's content, and do practice it at home. Thank you, children.